Over to the Eastern Pacific, and it's a whole nother story. We have lots to keep track of. Tropical storm Barbara formed south of Mexico this morning. As tropical activity starts to pick up, Barbara is expected to become our first hurricane of the season. Yes, 60-mile-an-hour winds. We're watching this storm move off to the west-northwest, parallel to the Mexican coastline, so no direct impact here, but we are seeing a couple thunderstorms kind of blossom right there along the coast. It will kick up some surf. We'll probably see some influence there from that tropical downpours or thunderstorm development, but the core of Barbara should stay offshore and is expected to. When we take a look at that storm track, the forecast track of Barbara, expecting to see that intensity as we go through the night tonight. Could very well likely be talking Hurricane Barbara by tomorrow morning, with those winds expected to be upwards of about 85 miles an hour. 74 gets us to that Cat 1 status. So expect to remain a Category 1 hurricane, but once we get through Monday night into Tuesday, you see that sharp kind of drop off in our intensity. That's because we're kind of falling off the shelf per se into some cooler waters, and those cooler waters disrupting the overall structure of this storm. But as far as achieving hurricane status, well ahead of schedule. The average date for our first hurricane in the Eastern Pacific Basin, June 26th. Meanwhile, the average date of our first named tropical storm, June 10th. And even before June 10th, not one, but two, maybe even three systems could be named. Taking out to TD3, Tropical Depression 3E in the Eastern Pacific will likely become Cosme. Does it happen tonight? Maybe tomorrow morning. We'll see. We've got a short window here, but we will likely see intensification with this pretty healthy looking circulation out there. 35-mile-an-hour winds, so we're about 5 miles per hour shy of getting that tropical storm status. Expected to get there overnight tonight. So again, by tomorrow morning, we'll likely have 2 named storms in the Eastern Pacific Basin, and that would get us 3 up to this point. Alvin was long ago, about a week ago. That was our first named system. But here is TD3, the forecast track, expected to get just close to hurricane status, maybe close but no cigar, and then it drops off that shelf of cooler waters, like I said, up to the northwest, and that's going to disrupt the overall intensity of these systems. So we've got Barbara, we've got Tropical Depression 3E, soon to be Cosme, and then we have another area to watch. Here's a quick look at TD3E. Really impressive blossom of thunderstorms. So I would say the intensity is beginning to grow over the last couple of hours here with Tropical Depression 3E. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised by late this evening that we have Cosme on our hands at this point. I mean, that circulation is quite tight. So we'll continue to bring you that as it comes in. 50% chance the next 7 days that another area could develop here in the Eastern Pacific Basin. We're watching it south of Barbara, but nonetheless, we've got a lot of activity going on there in the EPAC.